you contested. How do you feel?
Yeah, I think, I mean, that is a confident, that gives me confidence. And yeah, I mean, I've played with Wang Zi a lot of times, and tomorrow playing against her, again, I think we know each other's game. It's just that, I need to be prepared for long matches. It's not going to be easy, or, you can't expect easy points, because, when you're playing against a top ranked player, you need to, be prepared for everything and anything. So I think tomorrow is the same game. I need to just go all out and give my best, I think, and play my 100%. I think that's all matters at the end of the day, because when you get onto the court, it's just that, you have to accordingly change, because it's not something new, or I'm not playing against her for the first time. Since we know each other's game, we need to make sure that, we need to keep changing accordingly.
Home crowd was in support of you today. Which areas did you excel in?
I think overall it was good. Maybe it could have been much better is what I felt, because there were some unforced errors from my side, and I should have controlled that. But I think, yeah, the home support was amazing. It was brilliant. I mean, thanks to the crowd out there, and I hope the same crowd would be there tomorrow as well to support me, and I hope with that support I would do my best and be on the winning side.
Sindhu, you started this year with a credible finish at the Malaysia Open semi-final, and then similar performance in many semi-final finishes, and then a Japan Open big one. Would you say, I mean, how satisfied are you with this year so far? And would you say that, I mean, you've also looked physically the best, and your game has looked near perfect?
Yeah, I think everything is going on well, and I think I have to focus on one thing at a time, and make sure if whatever changes are there, we need to make sure accordingly as a team we need to discuss and take decisions smartly is what I feel. And I think overall this year has been good so far, and and I hope it will be much better in the next coming few months. It's just that I have to be focused and make sure I give my best every single time and stay injury free. I think that is very important.
Just your thoughts, I know you've spoken about it before, but just your thoughts on the 15-point system that will be coming into effect with the Malaysia.
Yeah, I think it's it's completely different. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be very demanding. It's going to be you have to stay on your toes from the first point. You can't have easy points, or you can't give away 5-6 points and focus in the next 5 points. In 21, you had that time to come back, but in 15 I think you don't. So it's going to be very interesting is what I feel, and of course it's going to be a very fast game. Yeah.
Sindhu, like my colleague asked, that you've had a good year so far. How do you credit Mr. Irvansha in your victory?
Yeah, I think Irvansha has been really good. I think as a coach and as an athlete, when he initially came, we had to do some changes, and it was important. You need to have that understanding between a coach and an athlete, and I think it's going on well. And I think as a team, we all need to come together and work together, and we've been doing that, and I'm very happy. So I hope this keeps going and we get many more results together.